This is a 3D printed illusion in which a marble rolls up a ramp. Let me know in the comments how you think this is done before watching the rest of the video. Try to take a closer look to see what's actually going on here. The only real magic that's actually happening is the magic of perspective. Depending on how you look at it, the model can look like a pyramid with ramps going upwards, or if you look at it in another direction, you're going to see that these ramps are actually going downwards into the middle square. Let me know down below in the comments if you knew how this worked or if you were actually baffled by this trick.